Do you feel nervous when you have to speak English at work? Do you stay silent in meetings because you are afraid of making mistakes? Yes, this episode is for you.
Today, you will learn how to speak English at work
Clearly, confidently, and professionally.
even if you are a beginner.
Hello, everyone. I am Emma. Welcome back to our English learning podcast.
Today, we are making episode 5, and the topic is how to speak English at work.
In this episode, you will learn simple and useful English sentences that you can use in your office, meetings, and daily work conversations.
This podcast is specially made for beginners who want to speak English confidently at work without fear.
Many people know English, but they feel scared to speak at work.
It's because of fear, Victoria. Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, and fear of grammar.
At work, clarity is more important than perfect grammar.
The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect.
How is your day going?
Yeah.
Can we talk about this for a minute?
I have a good idea.
Yeah.
In my opinion, we can try this.
I agree with this approach.
Yeah.
Help me with this. Can you explain this again, please?
I'm not clear about this yet.
You do not need long sentences in meetings.
Short and clear sentences are powerful.
I would like to add something. Can I share my thoughts?
That sounds good to me. Practice these sentences daily. The more you repeat them, the more confident you will feel. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to English Elevate. Your support means a lot to us, Emma and Alex. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.